What's going on, new drummers? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best beginner drum sets in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these drum sets, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. So, you've just started drumming and you need a new kit, right? Well, for starters, you'll likely have a smallish budget as well, so you'll want something that's affordable. It should also be easy to play, sound good, and be durable enough to last through your learning journeys as well. In addition, you'll also probably want something that looks nice too, right? Well, you'll be pleased to learn that beginner drum kits today are surprisingly well balanced in all of these criteria. With mammoth drum bands such as Gretsch, Yamaha, and Ludwig offering high-quality entry-level drum sets at a low price, the race to the corner of the market is very much on, and that means loads of fantastic options for new players. All of the kits that we're about to show you are excellent options, so it's hard to go too far wrong. It's making the final decision that's the hard part. Well, to help you decide, we've outlined our top 5 picks and included tips on which styles each kit will handle the best. The first drum set we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Tama Club Jam Beginner Drum Set. The newest addition to the compact lineup, the Club Jam kits are really beautiful. The off-color hoops and classic finishes are pretty eye-catching and stylish as well. In addition, the bespoke Club Jam logo is sleek and looks great with the vintage-style chrome hardware. The kit also comes with a 50s style cymbal holder mounted on the kick drum as well, which is a pretty nice touch. Also, the shells are a blend of Mersawa wood and poplar wood, and they sing wonderfully as well. The kick drum is a punchy 8x12 inches too. This is a perfect size for beginners as it will cut through when needed, but it won't blow the house down while you're working out how to play the intro to Good Times, Bad Times. Here's the weird part though. The floor tom is 14 by 7 inches, which is quite unusual honestly. While it doesn't sound bad, some heavier drummers might miss the depth afforded by a traditional 14-inch or 16-inch. Overall though, this kit is a great value for the money and has classic Tama build quality. It won't do much good for gigging rock drummers, but for those looking to start with the lighter stuff, this is a pretty excellent choice. Coming up next in our number 4 spot, we've got the Yamaha Rydeen Beginner Drum Set. Yamaha is known for building high-quality instruments for all skill levels. The Rydeen, named after the Japanese god of thunder, is an excellent beginner kit designed to get drummers started off with something fun and powerful. One of the great things we noticed is that, although it officially comes as a shell pack, most retailers will offer packages with hardware and cymbals included in the price as well. The shells are made from poplar, and they pack a good punch as well. They will easily tune to any drum style also, which gives young players freedom to experiment and find where their passions lie. In addition, there are some wonderful finishes available too. We particularly like the mellow yellow finish. The only downside is that, as this kit particularly is suited to those in early stages, a compact option would have been great for very young drummers. However, the 2 options available are versatile enough just about any style. Overall, the Yamaha Rydeen feels like a thoughtfully crafted beginner kit. It's an excellent place to begin your journey, and, for the price, an excellent value for your money as well. Next up, coming in at our number 3 spot, we've got the Pearl Export EXX Beginner Drum Set. The Pearl Export is one of the most popular drum kits ever. The modern versions of this set features poplar mahogany shells, which are supremely playable and deliver a pronounced tone. In addition, the stock heads sound okay, but an upgrade here would really help achieve the kit's full potential. The EXX kit comes complete with the sturdy Pearl 830 series hardware, including the excellent P930 Demonator kick pedal, and the Savion SBR cymbal set. In theory, this should be everything you need to get going, but some retailers will sell the kits separately, so be sure to check on that. But overall, this is a beginner drum kit, which is hard to fault. It's perfect for most styles, and the inclusion of hardware and cymbals make it a very easy purchase. So now we're going to take a look at our number 2 pick. And at number 2, we've got the Ludwig Breakbeats Beginner Drum Set. Designed in collaboration with the Roots drummer Questlove, the Ludwig Breakbeats is much more than a beginner drum set. The idea behind the sleek, compact design was to offer city drummers a kit that they could throw in the back of a taxi and gig with. In addition, the small sizes sound much bigger than expected and allow for an easy ergonomic movement around the kit, which is perfect for beginners. The shells are made from poplar and have an excellent tone as well, especially for hip-hop and jazz. They also come with bags, which are perfect to throw over the drums as dampeners. However, if you're looking to focus on heavier rock or metal drumming, you might want to consider something larger. But for anything else, don't disregard this entirely. It has a surprising amount of punch for the size, and could definitely be used for gigs. And last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Gretsch Catalina Club Drum Set. For almost 150 years, Gretsch has been known for making high-quality drum sets. For the last decade, they've offered the Catalina Club as a beginner-sized slice of history, at an affordable price as well. The shells on this set are 7-ply, 100% mahogany, and the kit comes topped with Remo Ambassador heads. Right out of the box, the tonal depth is rich and consistent as well. In addition, the drums will hold tuning even when being bashed heavily, which allows beginner drummers to focus on their technique and playing, without having to worry about retuning all the time. And lastly, the various configuration options will cater to all types of drummers, but the 20-inch setup is a true gem. So, if you're looking for an all-rounder, look no further. The Catalina Club is a go-to for beginners, intermediates, and prospective touring drummers as well. And for this reason, in this price range, it's hard to recommend anything else above it. Alright, new drummers, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which beginner drum set you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in. Or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.